Imane Khelif has sued Elon Musk and J.K. Rowling in France in a sensational lawsuit. This stemmed out of the fact that he has alleged Elon Musk and J.K. Rowling have issued malicious statements online. So he has apparently made allegations that there has been online harassment, which, if there is a conviction under the French Penal Code, will attract up to a year in jail or a fine of up to 15,000 euro for harassment. However, if aggravating circumstances are present, then, and the victim is particularly vulnerable, or the harassment is conducted specifically online, then the penalty can increase to 2 years in jail and a fine of $30,000. And essentially, I've been told that if two aggravating circumstances exist, so I would take that to mean possibly 2 counts also, although I don't know French law that well, the penalty could go up further to 3 years in jail and a fine of 45,000 euro. Now, for J.K. Rowling and Elon Musk, given the fact that they are billionaires, that fine is inconsequential. It would be like a drop in the ocean. Another issue with this lawsuit is, number one, if Khelif was to proceed with the suit, they would presumably have to serve Elon Musk and J.K. Rowling and to bring them under the jurisdiction of the court, they'd have to also come to France. Now, there's no guarantee that would occur, because they may simply refuse to do so. They may refuse to go to France or refuse to get on a plane, and essentially they have the resources to avoid doing so as well. Another problem is it's not clear exactly what the harassment charges are, but it's likely that in a suit, Khelif would have to divulge a lot of information, such as information around genetic testing, karyotyping, seeing if it's true that he has an XY chromosome. Is it true that he is not female at all as far as his genetic composition? These are the kind of things which may come out in a lawsuit. And if they did, it would likely make a harassment charge less likely to stick, because it's not going to be that easy. So these are factors which have to be considered, and based on those factors, especially because Musk and J.K. Rowling have billions of dollars combined, so they are going to easily be able to find highly competent legal representation that are going to dredge up all of this information, probably look to get statements from former sparring partners of Khelif, see any medical test Khelif has undergone, see if there is any further proof that this is obviously not a woman. So once that comes out in the lawsuit, presumably, it may change the likelihood of any successful claim against Musk and Rowling. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.